Some of the best gifts don't come in packages. They're found in small, everyday moments when you step outside and see the world in a new way. When the places you love can be returned to again and again. When discovery happens up close and you're part of it. So much begins with muddy boots and curious minds. In schoolyards across the region, our teacher naturalists help children discover that nature isn't far away. It's right outside their door. They learn to notice, to wonder, to ask questions, and in the process, reading, math, and science come alive. But nature isn't only for children. On trails and libraries, parks, life care facilities, and more, people of all ages find connection to the land and to one another. From babies in backpacks and toddlers in tow, to accessible outings, veterans hikes, after-school clubs, and virtual programs, we invite people to fall in love with nature at every stage of life. This work is deeply rooted in caring for the places we love. Forests, fields, and wetlands, safeguarded today so they can be enjoyed tomorrow. Places where wildlife can move freely and people can boat, hike, birdwatch, slow down, and feel at home. Being stewards of the land also means protecting the wildlife that inhabits these places. Creatures whose stories unfold at night on rainy roads, inside nest boxes, and high above us. Through monitoring and long-term research, we learn what's changing and how to respond with care. Each year, the Harris Center connects more than 20,000 people with the natural world. But these aren't just statistics. Each number represents a moment that matters. A child's curiosity sparked, a tiny amphibian safely on its way, a quiet trail offering peace, a meaningful moment shared with a friend. Thank you for loving nature as much as we do. Our work continues because of you. The Harris Center story is still unfolding, and we invite you to be part of what comes next.